Hello everyone, it's Pirenko from Theme Forest. This video is about managing portfolio items on the Pulse theme. So from your dashboard, click on portfolio items and let's just select one of these that was created with the one-click install feature. And our post at this moment is looking like this. It's just a post with wide layout and it has an image. So I'm going through all of these options located here under, and the first option is a custom logo that you can use to show on rollover. You can have a specific image when you roll over these thumbnails. You can show a specific image here. At this moment, none of the demos has this feature, but I'll be adding a demo with related with an adventure travel agency, and I will have that feature so that you can see it. So probably when you look into this video, you already have that demo to check this feature. And then we have this. Let me show you also this type of layout. So on certain portfolio feeds on the theme previews, I have these feeds where thumbnails have different widths and this kind of geometric layout. So for each portfolio entry, you have some options here that are related with this what I call multi-layout only. Okay, so this thumbnail width, in this case, it can be regular or double, and what it's going to do is going to change the thumbnail size on this type of feeds. So grabbing on our current example, let's see a page where we have this type of feed. Actually, we can go also to that same preview. So here we have our multi-layout with image. Currently we have the option to have double size, so if we choose regular, update. Let's just refresh this so that you can see the difference. So now it has the regular size, okay? And it has become a rectangle. So for instance, if you want to have it the regular size, but instead of being a rectangle, you want it to be a square, you also have that option here. And update. And let's refresh again. So now we have here a rectangle. So this is how you organize this type of feeds. And once again, these options here that are marked as multi-layout only, don't forget that these options don't apply to portfolio feeds like masonry or like grids. So okay, so this is only available for this type of feeds. Then you have here also some other options which are related with the project thumbnail. And you can have a video, like you also see here. This one is stopped because I opened this page a long time ago. So, but you can have a video showing here on the right side. The idea in this case is that you can put here the MP4 file path and also the WebM. You need to create these two videos in these two formats, and in that case you will have a video working as a thumbnail. And these options are all applying to the portfolio feed. And going to the post single page, you also have here some options. One of them is the post layout, which at this moment is the boxed, the one that we are using, but you can also have the split layout and the full width layout, and also a custom layout where you can build whatever you want within the page content, and no image will be displayed by default. So I'm just going to show you that, for instance, if you want to use the split layout, you come here, update, and when you go back to your portfolio single page, you will have this split layout. Okay, so you can decide about that here. Also the featured color, which is the color that will be associated with this post. In this case, we are using this green. This is entirely optional, so you can just come here and clear the color if you want. There's also a way to force the portfolio parent page. The theme will auto-detect the link here to a portfolio page that has one of these skills. But if you want to force it to go to another page or to a different portfolio page, you can also go here and select a specific portfolio page. There's also here an option which is skip the featured image on the single page and lightbox. But in this case, let's see on the single page. So if you have a post with more than one image, which is not the case here, but if you have a post with a slider, you can say that you don't want to show this image on the single post. So that's why this option is for. You can select it, and then the theme will jump to the second image that you can upload here under. Okay. By the way, I'm also telling you that you can add more images to the portfolio. So I'm just going to add another one as the second image and update. And now let's refresh. So now we have here a slider. And if you want, like I was saying, if you want to skip the featured image on the single page, in this case you will not have a slider, but you will only have the second image. So here it is. You can also disable the slider and so show the images stacked vertically. So I'll remove that option and let's select this one. And in this case, you will see the images here stacked. Okay. And there's also the text fields that are shown on the right. You have a client, the project link. You can have a specific project link text, and you can also open the project link when the thumbnail is clicked. Basically, what this option does is when you are seeing a portfolio feed, instead of being taken to the single portfolio page, you will be taken to the project link page, okay? And finally, you also have here you can also decide here if you want to open the project link on a new window or on the same window. And as far as portfolio entries goes, I think that's all. Thank you very much for watching.